Hello, good morning student. How are you? Hope you are fine. It's me, Mr. Prem Subedi from National Papson Kanski. Today I am here to teach you your next lesson. Life cycle of butterfly and mosquito, or life cycle of a different insect. Okay student, in this lesson we are discuss about the way of living organisms grow and maintain their life generation after the generation. In this lesson we are mostly discuss about the process of a growing of a living organisms, mostly animals, isn't it? Okay. Some animals reproduce by eggs and the other animals are reproduced by direct born babies. We are discuss about the different types of animals, about the egg laying animals and direct baby birth animals. We are discuss in this lesson a little bit, isn't it? Okay student. Next one term we are discuss in this lessons the different breeding process of mosquito and a butterfly, or a stage of four stage of life cycle of a mosquito and a butterfly. We are discuss in this lesson, isn't it? Okay. And also the complete study about the life cycle of mosquito and butterfly, isn't it student? Okay. Now life cycle of insect. Life cycle of insect. Please think once time. What is life cycle? When a baby are born to death, if the complete activities from the borns to death, कुनै बच्चा जन्मेबाट नमरुन्जेलसम्मको बीचको त्यो कम्प्लिट एक्टिभिटिजहरु जति हुन्छ नि, this activities is called the life cycle. Insect. What are the insect? Smallest animals, which are contains the class Arthropoda. Smallest invertebrate animals, which are contains the class Arthropoda, isn't it? We are already discussed in our previous lesson vertebrate and invertebrate. Discuss about the types of insect and the different features of insect in our previous class. I hope you are clear about this life cycle and insect. Animals have the ability to produce of their own kinds. Animals, all the animals have the ability. Ability means to do something. Ability to produce their own kind. The young ones are produced by the adult animals. The young ones, when the animals are matured, when the organisms are matured, then they are started to produce the new baby cell or new babies. These animals either lay eggs or give the birth to the young babies. These animals either lay eggs or birth to new babies. Please look in diagram. There was some animals lay eggs and some animals are give the babies directly, birth to babies directly. Look here. Okay. The animals like the insect, birds, frogs, fish, etc. lay eggs. The animals like insect, birds, frog, fish, etc. are lay eggs. Lay means gives or lay भनेको दिनु है अथवा पार्नु अंडा दिनु भन्न खोजेको कुरा बुझ्नु भयो? Okay student. Some animals take care of their eggs, but some animals take care, all the animals or most of the animals are take care of their eggs, isn't it? Okay. When this eggs is mature, then they are hatched they are hatched and to form a new baby. When these eggs are matured, then hatches to form a new baby. जब तिनीहरूले त्यो अंडा दिएको हुन्छ नि, त्यो अंडा दिइसकेपछि जस्तै कुखुराको हेर्नुभयो भने कुखुराले अंडा दिइसकेपछि उसले के गर्छ, सेकेर बसिरहेको हुन्छ। अनि केही समयपछि जब त्यो अंडामा चल्ला बनेको हुन्छ नि, आफ्टर दैट दे आर hatched by themselves. तिनीहरूले के गरेको हुन्छ, आफै त्यो अंडा फुटाएर त्यहाँबाट के गर्छ, चल्ला निकाल्छ। Eggs matured mean to form a baby cell inside the baby inside the eggs, isn't it? Okay, student. All the insect lay eggs. The adults are developed after passing the sperm stage. The adults are developed after passing the sperm stage. They pass through the eggs, larva, pupa, and adults. Mostly, the insect passes the four stage. They are eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. They are eggs, larva, pupa, and adults. Four stage. Be careful. The life of eggs-laying animals being with eggs and in at adulthood. The life of eggs-laying animals start from the eggs and in from adulthood. Those animals which are laying egg, their life are started from the eggs. जुन एनिमल्सहरुले अंडा दिइरहेको हुन्छ नि, their lives are started from the eggs. तिनीहरुको लाइफ चाहिँ कहाँबाट स्टार्ट भएको हुन्छ, from the eggs. And their life is in from the adulthood. Okay, and adults again lays eggs. Thus, the development of the living things respect with their stage or with their similar stage. Repeats with their similar stage. After that, when these eggs are matured, then the new baby cells or new baby are born, and this is formed into the adult, and it started to laying eggs, and this process is continue, isn't it? Okay, straight. Now we are turns to the life cycle of a butterfly. Life cycle of butterfly. Are you ever seen the butterfly? Yes. Butterfly is the beautiful insect. It is the very beautiful insect. We find this butterfly insect roaming around in our garden and anywhere in the lower height. Such types of butterfly are found inside in our garden and as well as in a lower place or in our schools and our home, etc. in the lower part of earth. We see them visiting flowers to flower. We see them. These butterflies are visiting one flowers to another one flowers. It is visit from flowers to flowers. Butterflies have the four stages in their life cycle. Please look there in diagram. There is the four stages in their life cycle. They are seen figure clearly. They are, yes, larva, eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. Okay. You are excellent. That is the four stages. In the butterfly, their life cycle is completed in a four stages. They are the eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. First one is eggs. A female butterfly usually lay eggs, usually on the undersides of the leaves. The eggs are attached to the leaves with the sticky substance of their eggs. A butterfly lays the several eggs at a time. When the female butterflies are changed into the adult stage, then it started to laying eggs. At times it lays a many number of eggs, which is attached in the leaf of a plant. See in diagram. Okay. The second one is a larva. The larva is also called the caterpillar. Larva is also called the caterpillar. It is the very active. Caterpillar means the larva are the very active stage of a life cycle of an insect. It is the very active stage of a life cycles. Or in the life cycles of the insect, the active stage is called the larva. It swims freely in water. The larva eats the leaves of plants. It eats a lot. It lives a plant and it eats a lot. In that times, in the stage of larva, which is the very active, it swims freely in the water. In that times, they are swim freely in the water, and the larva eat leaves of plants a lot. You are clear? Okay. Next one is pupa. The larva sheds its skin, it leaves the leaf of the plants and attaches itself to a dry surface like the bark of a tree, walls, etc. When the larva is mature, then it returns back in the leaf of a plant and it is the inactive stage. This inactive stage is called pupa. Pupa is the inactive stage of a life cycle of an insect, isn't it? Okay, student. In the stage of pupa, they does not eat anything. In the stage of pupa, they does not eat anything. Please write one question for your classwork as well as your homeworks. Write difference between larva and pupa. Write difference between larva and pupa. Okay? Okay. Next one is adult. An adult is formed from the pupa. When the pupa is matured, then the adult is formed. The adult butterfly has the 2 pairs of wings, 3 pairs of legs, and a pair of antennae. Antenna in the pair of antenna contains in a butterfly, isn't it? In the butterfly, contains the 2 pairs of wings and 3 pairs of legs, and the pair of antenna are contained in a butterfly. Please, once time you can go in your garden and saw butterfly, isn't it? Okay, please look the diagram of a complete life cycle of butterfly. Butterfly are useful insect. Is there the butterfly in your garden? तपाईहरु गार्डनमा गएर बटरफ्लाई हेर्नुभयो? I hope तपाईहरुले हेर्नुभयो. ठीक छ. Butterflies are the useful insect. It is the very useful. There was found that some insects are the useful and some insects are harmful. Many number of insects are found in our environment. Out of these, some insects are most useful or very useful and some insects are harmful. Likewise, the butterfly is useful insect. They visit the flowers to flowers. Butterflies are visit flowers to flowers. In such a visit, they transfer the pollen grains and helps in pollination. In such types of a visit, they transfer the pollen grains from one plant to another one plant and to form a pollination, or it helps the reproduction process of a flowering plant, isn't it? Okay, friend. The garden looks the pleasant with the colorful butterflies. The peoples have the hobby of collection butterflies and making the butterflies museum. In the gardens, there was found the different types of butterflies. Some people have the hobby to collect the different types of insects, different types of pet animals, etc. तपाईहरुको पनि छ होला है ह्याबिट कसैले पेट्स एनिमल्समा तपाईहरुले उ राख्नुहुन्छ नि के राख्नुहुन्छ पप्पीजहरु राख्नुहुन्छ नि कसैको घरमा हेनहरु कुखुराहरु पालेको हुन्छ नि है some people have the hobbies to collect the different types of a butterfly and to make a museum of butterfly. Do you know museum? Yeah, collection place of butterfly. In the Pokhara, there is a butterfly museum. In a Pokhara, there is a butterfly museum inside the PN campus, Prithvi Narayan campus, Pokhara, Bagar. पोखरा को बगर में जानुभयो भने पृथ्वीनारायण क्याम्पस में के छ बटरफ्लाई म्युजियम छ once time I request you once time you visit in that place, isn't it, to see the different types of butterfly. You may visit it to see the different types of butterflies there. You would not play with or catch the butterfly. The dust found in their wings and the bodies may drop into our eyes. It may damage our eyes. Be careful. Note or a precaution for you. At last, don't play with a butterfly. When you are play with a butterfly, it throw one liquid. If this liquid may drop into our eyes, it may damage our eyes. Be careful, friend. Don't play with butterfly. It is very helpful as well as it is harmful also. Isn't it? Okay. Thank you.